can damage the pump.
Okay.
Okay, we got your point. Yes, you are right. Okay, we will consider in the second division. We will solve that one.
Well, now I put provide
Yeah.
the airline
Airline and suction filter.
and inlet filter.
Air filter.
Inlet air filter.
Yeah, it is a part of the.
Let me share.
Yeah. Yeah, complete system you will get from there.
Okay, guys. So I mean, they have understood and the requirement, and they will do it. Okay. So before going for the break, I was suggesting the team. Let us come back at 11:20. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, man. Take care. We are very slow. Huh? We are very slow. We are in the one node in the no flow. We have to do complete 5 node today. So we have to come back with energy.
And try to finish at 4 p.m. Is it possible? Not 5. Okay, let us supposed to finish on 4. Okay.
I want to go at 12. I want to go at 12.
have to go back to Khofakkan also.
My suggestion is